Mama loves a glow. Today I'm gonna be giving you the perfect sexy makeup glow look that I think you guys are gonna love. I have great new products. I'm gonna give you a sexy eye, a glowy foundation. I promise you guys, you're gonna love it. So the first step is I'm gonna prep my skin. I am addicted to these Babor. They're called Perfect Glow and they're little ampules. And you can see I'm gonna show you what they look like. This is basically like concentrated hydration. It sets in really quick. It doesn't leave it too dewy, too moisturized. It just gives it that perfect amount of hydration to prep your skin for the makeup. So you're gonna put the little top on here and then you're gonna break it like that. And you're gonna put half of it on. So I just want you guys to see. Rub it in your skin and literally just let it soak in. And it's really, really good concentrated hydration. And I love that they're individual, they're easy to travel in. I have them in my purse, I have them in my travel bag, and they're really, really good and really hydrated. Okay, so I researched this and I am finally gonna show you guys because I can't stand not to. Okay, old school touche clot. Yes, we know the concealer, but now, hold please, we've got the all-in-one glow. So this is your foundation, touche clot. It's called all-in-one glow. It has sunscreen of 20, it says it has sunscreen of 23, it's oil-free. It is awesome. I've been wearing it now for the last month and I think you guys are going to love it. I'm going to use a little bit on my hand so you guys can see. Okay, I do 1.5 squirts, just like that much. And just for the record, just so you guys can see, I'm B50. For my tan. So it gives us, I did a little bit more color. So these are great. The colors are really neutral and it's kind of an all-in-one glow tinted moisturizer. So I'm gonna use a brush. I'm gonna use the MAC 188. And again, it's gonna go all over my skin. And it does really give really good coverage. But for some reason, as much as they mastered the concealer, they mastered the all-over glow. I'm gonna give it just one more pop. And I love using with this brush because it doesn't go on too heavy-handed. You want this makeup to look really natural, so you use a fluffy brush to really kind of brush it out. God, that color is so good. And I love that it gives a little bit of a shine. So since it has sunscreen in it, you want to blend it down your neck to make sure your neck has sunscreen as well. Okay. Next step, you're going to use Becca. This is New Perfecting Concealer, and this is medium. I use like just 3 dots. And I pat it in just so you can see, and then I use a beauty sponge, and it's wet, so it's a little bit damp, and I just pat it underneath. I just want to get rid of a little bit of the dark circles, but I kind of want to leave it really natural. And again, you can put a little bit more if you want. Depending on what kind of night you've had. If you're like me, I'm sleep training again. Okay. So again, it just gives it a little bit of a lift. Okay, next up, the Becca Illuminator. It's so good, a little goes a long way. You need 1 pump. Take the base of your beauty sponge and you're just gonna go on your cheekbones. See, you can already see it. Bridge of your nose, a little bit of Cupid. I do right just under my brow right there. And it's so pretty. It just gives you that really pretty glow. All right. Next up, new product alert. Love it. Becca bronzer. It's Bronzed Bondi. It's so good. You're gonna take your kabuki brush from NARS. Again, a little goes a long way. Can you guys see how dark that is? Do not let it scare you. 2 pats. And just literally where the sun would hit you. Oh my God, I love this. Okay. Next up is cheek. I love Cloud Paint, Glossier, great cheek, and the color is Puff. Starts out really pink, okay? I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender again, just on my cheeks. And this is really good because you can build this one, so you know me, I love cheek, and I make it pink, so I tend to put it a little bit. Just make sure your beauty sponge is damp. Just gives that little bit of pop of pink. So whatever's left over on your hand, you can dot it on your lips. Okay, love. This is freaking magic. Chanel Memory 820. Chanel Memory 820. Look how gorgeous this color is. You can tell I like it because I've been using it. Sweep it just a little bit. I like to use because I have more control with my finger, and I basically just pat it on. Just pat it on the base of your eyelid. And you can go darker if you want to go a little bit more sexy, a little bit more for night or for day. Use a couple swipes. Looks so good just on its own. Then I'm going to take number 217 MAC, swipe a little bit, and just go in at the crease. Just make the crease a little darker. So this is all about the holographic Lancome. It's Passion Glow. It's a beautiful color, and it is a lip plumper if you want some big lips, which we do. And remember, go a little bit on the outside. Then just at the end, the very, very end, take what's on one finger, pat. Just to make it pop. Okay, last but not least, tried and true. I read this whole thing on setting sprays, and I have to say, MAC Prep and Prime, Fix It. It's so good. It's called Balm Fixant Fix. It is the best. It works, and it really, really sets your makeup and sets your glow. Let it sit for a second. You can go back. I might add just a little bit of this. And that, my friends, is the summer glow. So good. I love these new products. They're so good, they're so easy to use, and they just really look good. You can build them up, you can wear them sheer, but I love this look. And actually, if you guys want to get this beachy undone look that I got rocking here for the perfect beach waves with 4 easy products, that's my next video. Make sure and watch it. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know. I want some new glow tips. I want some new glow products, because girls, I love a glow.